drift away.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Taija G, and I'm here today to give you some tips. Welcome to Taija's Tips Corner, whatever you call it. So, I want to tell you 6 things a guy is supposed to do in a relationship. Come on, you guys. It is 2017, and these guys are acting crazy. Oh my gosh, the first one. Take out the trash. You don't understand how many times I see a guy walk past the trash, and then when you ask him to take it out, he got attitude. Come on. Seriously? Like my uncle. I told him to take out the trash for me. He was going right there. He gonna tell me, my car gonna get messed up. Really? Come on. It's 2017. Got to do better. Number 2. Pump the gas, okay? If you are with your girl, pump the gas. Do not let her get out the car and pump the gas. Tell her to do something else. She can go in the car, listen to some music. She can go buy something in the store. But if you are with your lady, please take the pump out of her hand and pump the gas yourself. It's so simple. Why you don't want to pump the gas? Come on. Number 3. Now, this is one night here. Walk on the outside of your girl. I've seen so many pictures on Google, Instagram, all these memes of the guy walking on the wrong side of the girl. Like, she's not supposed to be in danger. You're supposed to walk on the right side of her, okay? Please stop doing that. I know your mama taught you something. If your girl's walking, you gotta protect her, okay? You can't have her walking on the side of the road. No. You gotta do better. Come on. Oh yeah, this one. If you're on the bus, you know, or you're in a nice if you're in a bus or a store and you're sitting down, you see a pregnant lady or someone, ask for their how you say it? Ugh. Ask, would you like to take my seat? At least ask, okay? Don't just sit there. Come on. Ask. They'd be like, you gotta ask, like, would you like to take my seat? Would you like to sit down right here? Let her say no, okay? Let her say no. That is just rude. Especially if you with your girl. Let her know you got just a little bit of manners. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, this one. People, guys, learn how to change the tire, okay? I posted a status on Facebook the other day about changing the tire, and a guy commented and said all men are supposed to change the tire, but seriously, all men do not know how to change a tire. But, you know, as I'm watching my kids' cartoons, they're teaching the kids how to change a tire, so there's no excuse, okay? The cartoon is teaching you how to change a tire. You can change a tire, okay? Alright. And last but not least, this is the last one. Please know how to put air in the tire. Seriously. That's the simplest thing on the planet. I mean, there's plenty of times I see, even myself, you have a guy right here next to you, like literally right here, and he's watching you put air in the tire. Why? Why didn't you say, can I do it? At least ask. Like, you just watching me and you're on your phone texting. I'm so tired of driving and I see that nonsense. That's ridiculous. I mean, a girl should know too if she by herself, but if you with your lady, you can at least help. Come on, guys. It is 2017 and I need you guys to get it together. Like, seriously. And you're probably going to my comment and say what girls should do. I understand what girls should do, but if you are with your lady, you need to help. You can't do nothing else. You could do something. But don't be texting on your phone while she putting the air in the tire. That's just not cute at all. Okay? Learn YouTube got a lot of videos to teach you how to do everything, so just Google it and learn how to do it. Alright, you guys, that is all, guys. My 6 tips on what guys should do in a relationship. Okay, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please feel free to comment the next thing you want me to talk about. Okay, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye. Bye-bye. Toodles.
I'm drift away. I don't care how I